What? Hey, 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 look what showed up, boys. We finally got 2 more wheels in for the truck. The big old Duramax finally gets its wheels today. So freaking excited on this. And we have a new lip for the Evo 8. And we also have new wheels for another vehicle, which you guys will see here shortly what these guys right here are going on. Pretty stoked for these as well. We didn't go with the same exact wheel that we originally purchased for the truck. So I don't want to show you guys the wheel until we actually get the tires on. Well, I'll probably test them first to make sure we actually order the right lug pattern this time. But I don't want to show you guys the wheel until we get them on the truck, because these things are insane. They look so freaking nice. And thank God we got a big old truck. Back in the day, this stuff would never fit in the Tacoma. We got to make a quick pit stop at the shop, drop off the other wheels and the front lip, and then we can head up. We're gonna get the alignment done today and the new wheels and tires on the truck today. So by the end of this video, this thing should be like 100% ready to drive, ready to go. Still need some like finishing touches, grill, headlights, full buff, ceramic coat, all that stuff, but it'll be like complete and looking good. This truck right here got me rethinking my 14 wides purchase. I'm gonna guess those are 12 wides. That truck looks so freaking clean. Granted, it is white, and I do really like white. I think I like black better than white, but I don't know. That looks really good. I guess we'll see how Sierra looks when we get her wheels on. All right, guys, we got the truck aligned. We got the new tires mounted on the new wheels. We're gonna head back to the shop right now. I think Bobby is there waiting. Tonight, we are gonna get the wheels and tires on the truck. I really am super stoked to see how this thing is gonna look. I feel like it's been a long time coming, especially after ordering the wrong wheels and whatnot. I feel like there's a lot of suspense on this truck right now, and I just really wanna see it complete and see how crazy it's gonna look. Door close. I got you 2 snacks. You wanna see them?
Oh, my favorite hog.
Should we show them the new wheels? I haven't showed them yet.
Yes.
They're insane. They look so good. I was gonna ceramic coat them before I put them on, but it's raining and they're just super wet now. So I don't even care. I just want to put them on the truck.
Holy crap, those things are massive. Wait, turn them around up there. Whoa.
How beautiful are those?
Those are beautiful, huh?
Insane?
Yeah, those are
Nutty?
crazy. Nutty.
They're 14 wides, bro. My stocks are probably 3 inches wide. These are 14s.
Yes, baby.
Should we do the back or the front first?
Back.
Back?
Yeah.
So these are the new wheels. The old wheels were Hostile Alpha, I believe. These are Hostile Rage. I love these. I love this look. Like all black, like some, nice little accents here and there. And that design as well, it's just next level,
Baby, I just want to eat this really quick. I'm so hungry.
Okay. So we're gonna start off with the rear. It would be nice to use a lift in this situation, but honestly, just putting on wheels and tires, it's not worth moving all these cars around. So we're just gonna jack up the rear from the axle and then the front from like the lower cross member, and we should be good to go. Let's see how strong you are. Bobby thinks she's really strong and she thinks she is gonna lift up a wheel and tire. Well, she probably can.
See, it came off the ground. See?
Wow, you're strong.
Isn't it?
All right.
It almost hit Ava Jr.
It's okay, she's broken. What?
I have been sick this whole day.
Coronavirus?
Yes.
You tested positive for COVID?
No.
Oh.
She's a big biatch.
How far do you think they're gonna stick out? A couple feet? A lot? Or how far do you want them to stick out is the question. Alright, let's see what we got.
Let's see the comparison side by side. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
They're a little bit taller, like an inch.
They're not even gonna stick out that much.
Oh boy, you just wait and see. Excuse me. Ready for this? I don't know if you're ready.
Been ready.
Watch me buy the wrong ones again.
Well, it'd probably help if you. Oh.
What?
Nothing.
You're gonna say put it on, right?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
That's how they go on.
What?
Babe.
What do you think? Well, we gotta bolt it on.
It went way past my hand.
Way past your expectations?
Yeah, but it looks way sexier.
It's gonna look really sexy when it spits rocks all over my new paint, huh?
Yes.
Look at those nice black lug nuts. Wow, I bought the right threads.
I'm confused.
Why? Why?
It just looks different than a car. Like the way that lug's going.
What do you mean?
What's that center thing?
This?
Yeah.
This is a part of the rear axle. There's a center cap that goes over it.
But that's not how cars are.
No. It's safe to say a 2500 heavy duty is a little bit beefier than a car.
Honey,
Yeah?
I just didn't know.
I don't know either.
Oh.
Is this atrocious?
If only they would have known
What?
that you were cussing at fire just 2 seconds ago, but now you're happy.
Cars make me mad, trucks make me happy. Oh. I'm driving this thing home tonight. I'm not driving the FRS home.
You have to.
No, I can't. It's got to be burnt on the plate.
Oh.
Imagine like just cruising on the road and you look in your rear view mirror and you just see that giant tire
Let me
throwing rocks at you.
Wow.
Is this real life? Is this really my truck? How is this real life?
Holy crap. Out with the old? Say it.
Yeah, you.
Can you move out of my way, please? No offense. Holy cow.
Dude, she's beefy.
It's one big beefcake. I just kicked a lug nut. Whoa. Holy crap. Sierra is just stepping up her game.
It's amazing. I love her. It's nuts. That's literally nuts. It's exactly what I envisioned. How's this possible? It's crazy that this truck was once wrecked, you know, in stock. So I'm gonna throw a photo on the screen of what this truck looked like when we picked it up from IAA, which is an online insurance auto auction company. I was hitting the driver's rear, so we did have to replace the bed, if you guys remember the bed, and what else was it? Bed, tailgate, rear bumper, leaf spring. That's all we needed to replace. And now we lifted it up, put some nice wheels and tires on it, and she's gonna be the workhorse for the next, you know, couple years until I get sick of her.
Shush, we will never.
If you guys want to pick up your own vehicle, whether it be a truck or a car like Bobby's STI, you can use discount code Devin2020, not Trump 2020, Devin2020 over at IAA, and it'll save you $50 off fees. So if you want something like this, for cheap, because we only paid like half of what the truck would cost us if we just went to like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, Devin 2020, $50 off registration fees. What should we do now? Try to turn? It ain't gonna turn.
It's not gonna turn. You never really know.
Looks like we're gonna have to do quite a bit of cutting. I did pick up this little bumper kit that is supposed to pull the whole bumper forward like an inch just to minimize cutting, or maybe like make it so we don't have to cut it at all, which would be nice. I really want to drive it home tonight.
I know, me too.
There's no, are you leaving your car here?
No.
Oh, there's no way I can though, like that.
Yeah.
Well, do I just send it and hardly turn?
No, baby. You can't even turn a little bit with that thing.
So this here is that bumper kit I was talking about. If it's easy to install, I'll probably throw it on tonight just so we can drive this thing home. 3/4 inch bumper spacer, 2015 to 19, 2500, 3500. All right, so to get it on the bumper spacer, we're gonna pull the grill and the bumper all the way off, and then we're gonna put the spacers on. And that should give us enough clearance to at least drive it tonight. We may have to trim it a little bit, but hopefully with this 3/4 inch spacer, it'll minimize all the trimming that we would have to do without it. All right, boys, we got the bumper off, and obviously the grill is off. So these spacers go right behind these guys right here. So we're gonna pull off those 4 bolts. Spacer goes on, this guy bolts back on. All right, guys, so we got that spacer kit on. Went ahead and turned the wheels, and it definitely still hits a little bit. So let's make a nice little cut. Hopefully we don't have to trim the actual bumper, but if we just have to trim this plastic piece right here, I don't really mind. So I'm gonna go about, I don't know, 2 inches out from the bottom here and just do a nice little angle cut, just like that. All right, we got that little valance cut enough to where it shouldn't rub at all tonight. I'm sure at full lock, we're gonna have to trim it for that a little bit more, but we can finish up tomorrow. Bobby already went home and she's got dinner sitting on the table waiting for us. So we're gonna have to take this bad boy home, see how she drives. I just got the lug nuts torqued down. Tire pressure's good to go. This is crazy. This is insane seeing my dream truck in my shop. I remember envisioning this truck, exactly how it sits, minus like the grill and headlights and all that. I gotta change all that still, but other than that, exactly how this truck sits like a year ago, and now we own it. Gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, boys. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of the crazy wide wheels and tires on the Duramax. I know they're not gonna be for everybody, but feel free to leave a comment, good or bad. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.